So right now we're here at the Kiangan Central School. So this is the very memorial place because this is the surrender site of General Tomoyuki Yamashita during the World War II. So makikita mo po dyan yung mga pangalan ng ating mga men who served for freedom during the World War II. So ayan guys. Ayan po yung mga names ng ating mga heroes during the World War II. Yes. So, going up dito, this is the TLE building, which is dito po ako nag-aral. So, at the back you can see the Technology and Livelihood Education Building kung saan po ako nag-aral. TLE room. So, dito naman, paakyat tayo dyan. So, makikita natin. I'll show you guys. So, over here, the surrender site of General Tomoyuki Yamashita.